So I found this amazing AI gem that I think it should be a part of your AI toolbox. We're gonna start by looking a little bit at the product, and we'll see what it can do for you in order to improve your workflow, how it can help your career as a professional, as an IT professional and whatnot. And then we'll look at the pricing and we'll do a test together so that we can see what we can achieve. And I'll even show you a few things that I did as well. So first, if you go to Gamma.App, you can see that you can do presentations, social media documents, like imagine the LinkedIn carousel, Instagram stuff. You can generate documents. You can even create websites. And there's a lot of AI stuff involved when it comes to Gamma.App. So the pricing, I don't want to spend too much time on this because I want to jump right into working on stuff with you guys so that you can see how you can use it yourself. The plus is around $8 per person per month, so it's around $100 per year. I ended up getting the Pro, which is around $15. I'm trying to remember exactly why, because I think the plus, it allows you to remove the Made with Gamma badge. It generates up to 60 cards. You're not limited by 20 cards. Think of them as pages. So if you're generating presentation, think of them as slides, documents, pages. LinkedIn carousel, how many pages you're going to have as well. So you have 100,000 AI tokens, and so this is basically how much you can create per generation. You can do custom protection, custom fonts. I wanted to see the maximum, and you can decide yourself whether it's something that's worth it for you or not. So now I'm going to stop this recording and go to the other window. And now that we logged into the app, I'm going to show you exactly what I did so far and how you can use that as examples to improve your LinkedIn growth potential, or to help you set up some drafts for work, for your consulting practice and whatnot. Keep in mind, these are AI tools. So at the end of the day, it's your responsibility to double check the information. AI hallucinates. It's not perfect, but it will help you. It will help complement your work so that you can deliver more to your clients, to your students if you're working on a course and stuff like this. So let's go to the screen. So you can see here I already worked on a few things just to test it out, to see how it goes. I did create some LinkedIn carousel. Let's start with the presentation just to see how it works. I'm not gonna say create from notes, so let's start it from scratch. Of course, if you do have a report, something like this that you can put, it will generate the slides for you. So let's say I want to create a presentation about the importance of shared responsibility model when it comes to cloud migration projects. It's simple, one-liner. Well, let's say it's 10 cards. So it's going to be a presentation, and we're going to generate the outline. So the first step, it's going to be that Gamma.App will generate each page or slide or card, whatever you want to call it, and it's going to show you what it's looking at. So again, for the sake of this video, I'm saying okay, we're going to roll with this information. But of course, if you're preparing presentation for a client or students, if it's for a course, double check all the information, because you don't want to feed them bad information in case the AI hallucinates. So the first slide is the importance of the shared responsibility model. What is the cloud migration? Defining shared responsibility model, etc. Provider versus customer responsibilities. Benefits of adhering to the model. There's a case study. Interesting. Now, just because I know the shared responsibility model, I was expecting something about the different types of customer versus provider. So I'm going to say shared. You know what? I want to move it. So we're going to go up and we're going to say It's right after slide 6. No, it's not optimal. So, and I don't see the whole page because I have the camera in the middle. So I'm gonna hit generate. Oh, and I'm gonna use this model. So it's important to show. So it's already on slide 3. And we can change the theme. I think it picked the default theme, but this is the one I like. Basic Dark, I think it's called. Or Iris. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. So you see this? It's still not done generating. It's still generating pictures. And now you have the importance of the shared responsibility model in cloud migration. It generated a good picture. Provider responsibilities, customer responsibilities. So this is something that, see, that's what I said. You have to double check this information because it depends on the type of service that you're getting from the cloud provider. So this is not as simple as this is showing it to be. So this is cool. I would like, there are still a lot of pictures online that explain this better. Real world risk of overlooking shared responsibility. See, it already provided some feedback. So let's go back and say, create something new for me. Now we're gonna do a LinkedIn carousel. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So we're gonna go to social and we're gonna say, create. We're gonna say 8 cards, and should we do it square? I would say generate the outline. Now remember, somewhere there's also the amount of text that you want in each one. So there you go, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. Your output is gonna be as good as what you tell the prompt. So that's why it's really important to get better with the prompts. See, now it's showing infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and now hopefully it's gonna dig deeper for these guys and give us the exact information, use cases, risk of ignoring, best practices, and my preferred theme. Where is it? Come here. I don't see it anymore, I guess. There are a lot of themes. This one, I really like this one. Okay, so select theme, and the amount of text, I'm gonna keep it at medium. Image style, professional for LinkedIn tech professionals. I would just say, but still fun and engaging. Just roll with me on this. The AI model, we're just gonna go with the basic one that we have, but you can see you have different models that you can use. Let's see what's in the advanced mode. Oopsie, what did I do? Okay, so right for high schoolers, students, creatives, that's tech enthusiasts. So I have a feeling I'm gonna do another video for this tool in the future. So I'm gonna go back. Did I blow it up? Let's see. Home. Yeah. So we're back. I didn't break this. So I can still see they still have more things. And so apparently it's the 100,000 that we were seeing, it was per generation. So that's good. And now that we chose the, can I remove the advanced tips? Let me see here on the screen. So we're gonna say continue. And now this is the preview, and we're gonna say generate and see how it goes. Okay, let's see what was. So, why cloud security is your business too? The shared responsibility model, different models. Straight to the point. The idea here is that you can just hit share and you can export the file in the format that you need. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to one file that I created, 15 LinkedIn hacks to 10x your reach, and we'll go to the last page and I'll show you what I did. So connect with me. There's this thing here. So I put my information, the services that I provide or my company provides. If you're interested, I can do a deep dive on this app in order to see more what we can do with it in the future. But this is what you can generate, and you can see this file was like amazing. I gave it, in this case, I gave it the information and I asked it to generate the slides for me for a LinkedIn carousel. And you can see the backgrounds, the look, it's just amazing. So anyways, I wanted to share this tool with you. Hopefully it helps you with your career. Hopefully it helps you land more clients or work better with clients. It will save you time. And let me know what you think if you end up trying this application. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, depending on which platform you're seeing this video on right now. Take care.